Hello. In Englottugu ಊರದ ಪೊಣ್ಣು ಉಲ್ಲೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಒಂಜಿ ಅಥ್ಲೀಟ್ ಪೊಣ್ಣನೊಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಎಂಕ್ಲ ಇಂಟರ್ವ್ಯೂ ಆವೊಂದುಂಡು ಇಮ್ಮಿನ ಪುದರ್ ಗ್ಲೆಯೋನ ಇಂಬೇರ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ಡ್ ಟಾಪ್ 6 ಬೈದೆರ್ ಸೈಕ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಐತ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಕೇಂದ್ರ ಆರಿಗೂ ತುಳು ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಿ ಆರ್ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ಪಾತಿರ್ವೇರು. Hello Leona, our state level and national level athlete in cycling. So Leona, tell us more about your experience.
I started cycling like how these normal kids today we saw.
Okay.
Like I started cycling like them. So and then I slowly started meeting other cyclists like Joseph sir, Hari Vijay and all that. Okay. And then I started cycling with them. I could see that okay, like initially I was not able to cope up with their speed because they were quite fast and all that.
Right.
But then I was like okay, I can do it. I got motivated because they used to motivate me. And it's for I started in 2022 January 10th, my parents' anniversary.
Which year?
2022.
Okay.
So my dad gifted me cycle. It was a MTB cycle, not this one. MTB typical.
Okay.
That
Normal one. Yeah.
So I used to ride in that, and then I used to simply ride around the city. Then I met these VRC and all that. I was like, oh, Malla Jana, how to talk to them and all that. Oh, I can't talk to them. Then, but they were too good. They were too good to
Kind
me.
of inspiration.
Yes.
Okay.
They motivated me to join their group. So I used to go. They used to ask to come short MCC. Yeah, there. Bangalore Corporation. Report there sharp 5:30 and all that.
Early in the morning.
Yes. 5:30, and then we used to go sometimes towards Sasitulu beach, sometimes towards Kerala, or sometimes Bantwal side.
And what was the average distance you covered?
Those days, like Joseph sir is like compulsory 50 kilometers or else no going home. It's like that. He was so strict.
That's the best coaching tip, I think.
Yes. 50, because that's how you will build up your endurance level. So once 50 is easy, 50 becomes like wow, so easy.
Yeah, exactly.
Then you'll aim for 100, and then once 100 becomes easy, then you'll aim for because I am saying that because before getting into competitive cycling I did SR series, so it's like 200 kilometers, 300 kilometers, 400 kilometers, and then last 600 kilometers. So once you complete all this, you get the SR title. By the way, I'm the first woman from Bangalore to get that title.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Awesome.
And so we did 200. After the 200, 300. After a few weeks, it was 300. And that also, since I did 200, so 300 getting till 200 was not that difficult. And after that, the challenge started. Then again, after some weeks, 400 kilometers. That also same route. All happened in one route itself. That is towards Goa side.
Right.
And the last one, 600 kilometers. That happened on January 19th.
600. Awesome.
January 19th, 2000. This year itself, 2024.
24.
January 19th it was. So
600 is like
yes,
pretty huge.
yes.
So how long did it take?
It took us like 36 hours to reach back Taj cycle.
And was there any break in between?
Lots of breaks. So we started in the night. At night we started from Taj Pampal.
Right.
And then we went ahead. Sorry, we had to go to Bantwal first.
Yeah.
I don't know why they chose like
Then a
that.
U-turn.
Yes.
Shortage of 50
Shortage of 50 kilometers.
And they covered it up.
Yeah. So we had to go to Bantwal first, took a U-turn, came back to the same road, went towards this Goa side. Yeah. Goa, we reached Goa. See, we started at so we started something around 10:30 p.m. and we went to Bantwal, U-turn, went straight towards Goa.
Awesome.
And we reached Goa around 12 in the afternoon. So entire night we rode in that. The road is really good. It's so pretty road because you get that Marvante beach. And unfortunately, we couldn't see that because we were at Marvante beach. We couldn't see because I think we crossed it like around 3 o'clock at night or something. I don't remember. Yeah, so it was like pitch dark.
Wow.
One side sea, ocean, and the
Kind
other
of
side
adventure.
river. Yeah.
I mean, at any point did you feel I should stop?
Yeah, when we were about to reach, Hardik was also there with us.
I see. He's another
Yeah.
champion. You are next.
Then
Just 2 more. Yeah, you can take it. Let's go. Yeah.
ಇದೆ ಇದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಗಿಡ್ಡೆ ರವಿಡಿಯ ಗಿಡ್ಡೆ
Fans ಬರಬಾರ ಒಂದು ಉಲ್ಲೇರು. ಸೆಲೆಬ್ರಿಟಿ ಬಂಡ ಇಂಚ ಫ್ಯೂಚರ್ ಫ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಪೂರ ಬರ್ಪೇರು ಎಂಕ್ಲನ್ ಕೇನ್ ನಕ್ಲಿ ಇಚ್ಚೆ ಯಾ ಲೆಟ್ಸ್
No, thanks for today's event.
Yeah, obviously.
Yeah.
they recognize
They
your
recognize, everyone
efforts
recognized.
basically. It's because of your efforts.
See, fans.
No, I don't have any fans, just the ceiling fan. Okay, that's awesome.
Yeah.
Okay.
So,
See, my fan. Okay, that's good. So you did endurance,
Mm.
and at what stage, you got the feeling of taking part in races?
Yeah.
How did that come up?
so last year during during December last year. So there's one cyclist called Godfrey Pinto. He had come to visit Mangalore. So it was I think he came for just before Everest Challenge started. So that's when Joseph sir made me meet with this guy, Godfrey Pinto sir.
Okay.
So and then Joseph sir was like, see, she has to get into nationals and it's your responsibility.
Right.
Then Godfrey Pinto was like, yeah, kariya. Pura zata and all. Then, so I told him, sir, I'm into SR series now. I will complete my SR series, then we will start the
And
training.
what is SR series?
Super random, yeah.
I think you have a series of
Yeah, that's what, 200,
distances that you
300,
have to
400,
correct.
600. Once you complete all this,
then you become a SR.
you get an SR title.
Right. And it's a must to take part in races, or what's the criteria?
No, nothing like that. Nothing like if you are more into endurance, that is good.
I see.
But someone who is into racing, I will not prefer that.
I see.
Yeah. So
you-
that was my plan. Like before getting into racing, let me do this endurance part.
Okay.
And then because once I get into racing, he will not let me go back to that
I
endurance
see.
thing. Yeah.
Okay. So
because,
you stopped endurance right now?
Yeah, like I don't do more than like it's like now it's not about kilometers. I see hours. So it's like I
Average
have to train 4 hours, 3 hours, all that. Yeah, because it becomes like an interval training. No, it's not like you just have to go in one
exactly.
straight rhythm. It's about heart rate. So you have to go in this heart rate for this many minutes, and then get down to a relaxed heart rate for this minutes, and then again get back to that. So it's like interval. Go up, come down, go up. So that happens like for 2 hours. So that's the reason I train alone. People ask me, you're not cycling nowadays with those big jana you have become. If I cycle like this, they can't
Yeah,
know.
right. Yeah,
So I cycle alone.
Okay.
That's something.
And
yeah.
how do you monitor all that? Do you have?
Yeah, I
you
have
all
this
the-
computer.
I see. Okay.
Yeah, and then heart rate sensor which is here.
Right.
And then the cadence sensor.
Oh, you have that as well.
Yeah, see it's here.
Awesome. Yeah, that's good. So it's all about technical skills and your own ability.
Yes. So Godfrey Pinto sir guides me with all that. He stays in Dubai.
Oh, he stays in Dubai.
Yeah, he
I thought
stays
he's in
Dubai.
Chennai.
No, he stays in Dubai.
Wow.
And then he monitors all my data and all that,
Amazing.
and then he gives
So he's kind
credits
of a
to
god.
him actually.
Being
His
away, he's
name
blessing
itself
you.
tells that though.
Awesome.
But then credit goes to him.
Awesome,
In
awesome.
1 year, he has prepared me in such a way. So
I think we should thank Godfrey sir for that.
Yes,
right?
yes.
So we got a gym in Mangalore.
yeah, he was telling me, see, get girls into
Yeah.
cycling and all that.
Yeah, we
but-
have Lakshmi here who's taking the video.
Yes.
She can come join.
You have to.
Yeah.
So
Awesome.
yeah, I hope girls start cycling in Mangalore.
Yeah, definitely. More people should join us.
Yeah. But I see nowadays, mornings I see a lot of youngsters have started cycling.
Exactly. Yeah, that's
it feels
true.
very proud. Yeah, see,
Yeah.
one youngster is there.
Yeah, lots of youngsters in our city.
See there.
Our time is over. We are senior citizens.
He's also
almost.
young.
Yeah, I'm young, of course. But then there are
18.
young as well. Awesome, Leona. It was nice talking to you.
Thank you.
I hope you soon become a national champion.
Thank
That's
you
our
so
wish.
much. Thank you.
Claps, please.